I don't look like a complete alien, just a pretty one. Once I draw on this eyebrow and apply this lip gloss, it's over for you guys. It's over. It's over. It's over.
Yes. It's me again. Yeah. And I'm back.
What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's your girl Mara Moore, and if you want more, I'll give you more. So in this video, I have achieved this very simple, affordable look for you guys. Everything I use is drugstore friendly. Everything I use will be listed in the description down below. So I did like a nice brown lip as well as this like nude lip. So yeah, it's kind of like a two-in-one. It's kind of like a two-in-one. Like, look at me. I am a 10 out of 10, right? And when you're a 10 out of 10, you make YouTube videos. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, then keep watching. So let's get started. First thing that we're going to do is prime the skin. I'm going to be going in with the e.l.f. a Minimal Infused Face Primer. Just a little bit of this here. I'm just going to place this in my T-zone area where I get oily the most. Now that I've done that, I'm just going to go ahead and start on my brows instead of going right into the skin. So this is the fun bit, because for work I just keep my brows very like simple, keep my whole makeup look simple, to be honest. And I think it's more part of like my everyday look as well, just keeping everything very simple, very minimal-esque, you know. So that's a little bit of a backstory. So I'm just gonna go in with my spoolie here. I'm just gonna start brushing my brows upwards and then go in with a simple brow pencil. I just keep everything mainly on the tail end. That's where the hair is mainly sparse. So next for the brows, I'm actually gonna use two concealers. One is more suited to my skin tone and another is just a little bit lighter, just to have that highlight thing going on. So the first one is the Technic concealer, and this is in chestnut. And then for the bottom part, we're gonna go in with deep chestnut.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. Babe's been waiting. Just as I recall that ass is still amazing. Playing, baby. Saying, baby. Love it, shit, you know I'm crazy. So go ahead.
So those are brows done. So let's get into the skin. So next is foundation, and I'm gonna be going with and I'm gonna be going in with the Fit Me Maybelline Poreless Foundation, and this is in the shade 360.
I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't make me wait.
I think the majority of things that I'll be using, if not everything, will be drugstore friendly. So nothing high-end, nothing hella expensive, nothing like that. And don't forget the neck. Everything needs to be blended out nicely, honey. I do prefer the Maybelline Fit Me foundations than the e.l.f. The e.l.f. foundations are really nice and like matte, but when it comes to finding your right shade, it can be a little mismatch, because it's like once you pump it, it's something completely different once it's on the skin. So the same concealer that we use for our eyebrows, we're going to use that for around eyes as well, and it's the e.l.f.
Pick up the phone, show me it was real. Pick up the phone, show me it was real.
e.l.f. concealers do dry pretty quickly, so they don't really need that much dry time. So funny story. Funny story. So I recorded this video yesterday, and the majority of the footage got lost into the ether. So I'm recording this video again, and when it came to this step, doing the contour, doing the highlight and contour situation, I actually went out and brought a bronzer, a cream bronzer. Now, this cream bronzer is from Revolution. Here it is here. I was so excited to use it. I did use a little bit. But once I put it on, this was given very much concealer. It was giving very much concealer. And so I'll swatch it on my hand. I'm not putting it on my skin again because no point. Yeah, so here it is. See that? Watch this. This is white. This is not giving what it's supposed to give. And if I put that on my skin, I said wow. I said wow. Is this what Revolution's doing now? Is this what Revolution's doing? It was... I'm gonna keep it honest with everyone. Not with the cream bronzer, but with their glow, the Revolution Glow Matte Bronzer. This I love. This ain't it. This ain't it. I'm sorry, this ain't it. In all of my videos, I always use this. I use it as like a blush, the bronzer, but no. The cream bronzer, never again. And that's in deep dark. That's in deep dark. There's nothing deep dark about that. Okay. So let's continue and let's start blending this out. Okay. So I have a clean beauty blender here. I'm just gonna start blending that out. While I'm blending out my under eye, I like to keep it on the sides of my nose as well.
I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't make me wait, no, don't you? Just say you will.
So now that I've done that, let's go ahead and bake. Bake. Okay, so we're gonna bake the skin. Cool. And I haven't used this before, but this is the Banana Deep Baking Powder by Revolution. I usually use the Laura Mercier translucent powder. So using a banana powder, let's see what it does. Let's see if it's giving what it's supposed to give. And if not, then we move on, you know? We move on to the next. Point blank, period. They say they got the plastic on there. It's very yellow. Okay.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
I don't think it's bad.
Say it. I wanna all night.
Does she approve? Does she approve? So next I'm just gonna go with my Fit Me pressed powder in the shade 350. Wipe the excess powder off. If anything, I think it more or less like complements my skin, if you ask me. Let's go with some contour. I'm gonna go with the Revolution eyeshadow palette here, and just that very intensified use of brown there. I use that for contour. Is it just me? But I find it quite like therapeutic when I do makeup. I find it very therapeutic. I'm just like just putting it on and just enhancing my natural beauty already, you know what I mean? Yeah, I just feel like it's kind of relaxing, like, and not having to like rush and put it on. Look cute, feel cute, look good, you know? That's what life should be about. That's what life should be about, people. Now to bring some life into our skin, we're gonna go into the bronzer that I was talking about by Revolution, and I use it kind of like as a blush type. So I'm gonna be going in with this here. Oh, don't want to blind y'all. And this is in dark. Like, you see my skin now? Watch when I put it on. Watch when I put it on. Just gives me an extra je ne sais quoi. Je ne sais quoi? Je ne sais quoi. See what I mean? Do you see what I mean? Just an extra zhuzh. Just cute, look at that. I put it on everywhere. I love it so much. Put it on everywhere. Don't care. All over. And look at that. Look at that. I have some life. I have some life now. So for the eyes are gonna be quite simple today, but I do want to do a wing. And we're gonna do some nice lashes as well. Very natural. But do I want to do a wing? We're gonna do a wing. So for the eyes, I'm just gonna use like one shade out of this palette here, and probably that nice yellowy shade. Yellowy? Gosh, that nice orange shade there. I think that looks really cute. So we're gonna go in with some of that.
Hold on till you can't extend. I'll be clinging on to you. I'll be clinging on to you. And then begin again, orbiting around and then circle back.
I think that's cute. I think that's nice. Well, I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. liquid liner here. I'm just gonna go in with some of this and then just do a nice simple eye look.
Going through the motions, you're turning me, on my own again.
Very simple. See that? You see it? Just want to make sure it's the same shade.
I promise we'll find love again. Oh, if you can take my hand.
And I think that's eyeliner done. You see how it just adds an extra, just something extra to the eyes? I love it. I love that. So before I go in with some falsies, I'm actually going to go with some mascara first. And this is the false Lash Queen dramatic volume, fullness and length mascara here. Just gonna go with some of this. And you know me with like when it comes to lashes, like my natural lashes, they're very sparse. They're very sparse. But this gives me length, volume, all of that. So like if I don't have time to like put on lashes or something, I know I'm safe with this mascara, you know? I don't look like a complete alien, just a pretty one. So next I'm just gonna do my lashes. I'm gonna do this off camera because the struggle is very real. And I actually put them under my lash line instead of on the top. I just find it better that way. So I'll be right back. And I'm back. Lashes are on. I'm looking pretty. Da 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 da. Yes, yes, yes. So let's go with some black eyeliner. I need some black eyeliner right now. So we're gonna go with some of this. And just put it on our waterline. Just to emphasize the eyes a little bit, you know.
I promise we'll find love again.
There we go. Cool. So I'm just gonna add some mascara to my bottom lashes. Just so we're not leaving those little guys out, you know.
Round your bush, back so tough, like you never been in love. If you don't quit acting up, along this way you're going enough. I promise you make things that I'm.
There we are. Cute. I made a little mark here. So I'm just gonna go in with the liquid liner and just emphasize that little mistake that I did, but we're gonna emphasize the mistake. I just make it into a mole. There we go. A little beauty mark. That's cute. Now for my favorite part, it's the lips. So we're just gonna keep it very simple, very nude. I was gonna do a brown. Don't want to do a brown lip. Let's see how brown looks first. Let's see how brown looks. I'm actually thinking about this. Let's see how brown looks first, and then we have a nude as well. So we have two looks. So I'm gonna first outline my lips with a brown pencil.
On my own again, reaching out to hold your hand. I wanna be alone with you, and that be fine.
on with this brown lipstick here. This is from H&M, believe it or not. And this is in charcoal. So let's go on with this. Like a nice chocolate shade, right?
Let's take this overboard now. I want you to feel bad.
Now let's see it with gloss. So this is it with gloss, just a clear gloss over the top. And I like it. So this is one look here. So that's one. But let's try it with my usual nude. Okay, but this doesn't look bad. This actually looks really, really pretty. Okay. Looks like I have one of those like piercings there. Like, okay, so we're gonna go in with another lipstick, and this is from Next. And this is in Better Than Bare. Lovely nude shade there for you. Really, really creamy. That's what I love. If the nude is ever like overwhelming, just go back in with your pencil. And now I'm just gonna go over that with a clear gloss. Well, it's not clear, but just a lip gloss. And there's the lip. With the brown, I feel like that's more of like a night vibe. Like if I'm going out at night, you know what I mean, just have like, just getting down with the town, you know, then that's a nice look, you know, a day look and a night look. This is more of a day, this is more of a just a cute vibe, and I like it. And I think this is the end of the look, believe it or not. Everything I'll leave in the description down below, so please like, comment, and subscribe. Please subscribe because that helps me out a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Broken up, you know the feelings deep inside, so